Hey guys, welcome to my channel Brown Gentleman Tech. So in this video lecture, we are going to learn how to query a data from Cloud Firestore. So in the previous video, we learned how to get the data from the Firebase, and then we learned how to delete the data from Cloud Firestore. So in this video lecture, we are going to learn how to query a data from Cloud Firestore. So first of all, this is a app which we created in a previous lecture. If you don't watch the previous video, so I will give the link in the description. Please go and watch it. So this is a custom widget which we have created in the previous lecture, in which we are listing the foods here in a list style and add the delete function here. So I'm going to remove the delete function because we are not, the main motive of this video is not to remove delete the anything, but the main motive is to query a data from the Cloud Firestore. So I'm going to remove it, and this is the delete food. I will also remove this method because we don't need it. So now I'm going to Cloud Firestore. So now we are come to our Cloud Firestore. Here I'm going to create a collection because we have to add some dummy data, foods, and next, and generate a auto ID, and here name I will give it a apple, and also a price I give it 100, and also one additional field category, and give it a name as a winter category. Okay, so just add it. And also I'm going to add more document here, auto ID, and give name as mango, and price 200, and category is summer. Okay, category summer, and add some more auto ID, name grapes, price 500, and category is equal to winter. Okay, winter. So let's check whether it's the winter, and the apple category is also a winter. That's good. Let's go back to the app. So here the fruits came. So now just remove this delete icon. Instead of this, just add some another stuff. So let me find a single. Okay, remove the trailing icon because we don't want it. So I just remove it and just press the hot reload. There is an error. I don't. Let me check. So this one and this one, remove it to the here, and also remove this trailing as well. So now just hotel audit and the delete icon will be removed. So now we have to query a data. We want only that fruits to listed here which have a category winter or which have a category summer. Okay, so I just go to here this stream. I am just going to add query dot where, and in field we have to pass a field name, this one, against which we are going to query a data category. Okay, so I just pass here category. Make sure the name is exactly same to as that field, and a comma is equal to, so just minimize it, is equal to, and here we have to pass the value. So is equal to summer, winter. Okay, first we test it according to winter. So I just press hold reloaded. So see here, winter we have two fruits, apple, and we also have grapes in winter. Okay, so just reload the app and see in emulator, see only these foods came, which have a category winter. Similarly, if we go here and pass summer and now hot reload it will appear only mango, because mango is a comes in a season of summer, where mango has a category summer. So if we have to pass a multiple query, okay, multiple query data, we have to pass a multiple query. So we just here and make another query dot where, and field name is equal to, name is equal to mango. Okay, name is equal to apple, sorry. name is equal to apple, and now hot reload it, so that this double query will run. Okay, if the it will query the data, like if it will list all the data here which have a category winter and name is equal to apple. Okay, so let me add some another data to show you. I will go here and name, add another apple, and add field price. This one have price 1000 and category have winter. So let's add it and get back to the app. So here the two apple will come. So this way you can add a multiple query. If you want to add one more query, just go here and put dot where also here. So similarly, if I pass here summer, it will show nothing because we have no data in summer category which named as apple. If I pass it a mango here, so now it show a mango, so it is here. So this is how we query a data from cloud Firestore. So one more thing, if you want to add multiple queries, this way you can add. If you want to add apply a query in 3 to 4 fields, then you can add dot where also here, like this. If you want to add price is equal to 1000, we want apple which have category winter named as apple and the price is 1000. Okay, so just hold reload it. So this is only apple with the price 1000 only appear here. Okay, so like this you will apply query to a multiple fields and get the data. So that's it for this video. Hope you like the video. If you have any query, you can ask in a comment section. Till then, goodbye.